Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how we made 300% in 3 days in this Google plan, and I'm also going to talk about the Apple plan that I posted roughly the same time, well, it was a little bit farther back. Again, the Apple board should pay attention to this video as I do make a lot of great plans for the Apple, but I did say in the video that Apple wasn't the best setup, and I will show that. I mean, it's a good setup, but wasn't the best one, and I'll show you that. But let's get to this video here. Let me show you the 300% gains and why there is. So let's take a look at the options of what they were worth. Just give me 1 minute here. All right, people. So here's the plan I posted December the 8th at 10:28 p.m. You can see this on my stream, Google plan. What I'm going to do is go into the video, and I'm going to go to the point where I show you the options that were trading that day. So let's take a look. Alright, so inside this video, I'm gonna open this up. Inside this video, I show the options. I'm going to scroll down to the options of what the options for Google, what they cost that time. Now, don't forget here, we're going to go to the charts too and take a look here, okay? But this is December the 8th here, so let's take a look what I said in the video. There's some good action happening here. They're trading right now at 245 to 270. So I'm showing the 790, but you could probably get inside within that spread, right? Not too bad for. Don't forget, Google has a pretty big spread, so the options trading like that are pretty good. Now, what's even trading better is the 800 calls. Okay. Now, even if it doesn't get to 800, right? All right. So as you can see here, I'm just going to talk now. But basically, what I explained was the 800 calls were worth $1 to $1.30 at a time. Now, mind you, when we confirmed, okay, there's no way you're going to get this price. But to show you how fast this moved, now let's go to the charts, people. So pay attention to this video, listen to this several times, because how you can check this stuff is actually looking at the original video, and then you can always check the options when I mentioned how much they've made. Give me a second here. Okay, so here we're going to take a look at the Google chart. Okay, so if you look at here, December the 8th was here on a Thursday, and you can see the price was $7.76. Okay, so Friday we got the confirmation, right? And I also made comments on my stream. Now pay attention to the Apple traders, because I did talk. I'm going to be talking about the Apple as well, but this is it's important for you to understand, is because Google is a lot harder to trade with options, and I'm using weekly options with Google, whereas with Apple I'm using the January calls. But I'm going to explain everything, so pay attention, because you're witnessing power and gold. Now, of course, we got this pullback, but these options, as you can see today is the 13th where I'm making this video, and you can see the high was 804. Give me 1 second here. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you the next section of the video. I'm going to show you today's options. Right now, if you were to take a look at the options close, this is obviously, it's not up 300% because they pulled it back, but we could get into the highs. Now let's take a look at I'll show you here. We'll take a look at a 10-minute chart here, so you can see that there was plenty of time to get out of Google in the 803 area. Right here, I have 3 times. Okay, right up to 1:30 p.m. to get out of Google at the price I'm going to show you in the video that's coming up now. Okay, and the video I filmed exiting this around this 10:30 area. The stock then is just the 300% is already passed basically, but I'm going to show you the video update. So just to be clear, the next video part that I'm going to post is going to be I filmed the option prices on the Yahoo Finance as Yahoo's the option prices, what they were trading at by this time today. Okay, this is based on December the 13th. Okay, just let's go back quickly to the daily here. So it's 3 days, right? So you've got Friday that didn't make any money basically, and then then we had Monday where we're consolidated, and then we had the push today, and this is where the 300% was made by holding those options. The 800 calls, they went up roughly 300% in 3 days, and in order to do that, you have to have impeccable timing skills, and I'm demonstrating this in these videos Power Trigger Trade, people. The real deal. All right, let's take a look at the video. All right, I'm at the Yahoo board showing you the options at the 10:45 for Google, as it's up $13, up 1.6, almost 2%. But these options I mentioned in the video, right? Let's go take a look at the 800 calls. Okay, you can look at the 790. You can also reference the 790 in the video. They're up a lot, 137%. But the 800 calls are up 220% today alone. So this is why between the trigger day. Now, to be honest, the entry, even though you saw that these options were really about $1, under $1, about a little bit over $1, the trigger point of entry was about $2.30. Okay, 230 to 240 area. A person could have bought within that area. It gave plenty of chances to buy the 800 calls on Friday. Let's take a look at my stream. So here I'm on my stream. I posted this winning trade on December the 8th on, I think December the 8th was a Friday or Thursday, right? Yeah, Thursday. And then on Friday, you can see that I made a comment here. I said, because Google did move up. And in the video, you'll see it says 880, but I meant 780. It was common sense. I even said it, but it was 780. I didn't even realize that. But regardless, 15 minutes into the trading, because Google was above this price, I said if we could get, and I think this pulled back around 10:30. We'll take a look at the charts, but I want to just show you that I said this December the 9th. Google not easy, but pullbacks into 7. So it was very easy. Did you know if you bought the pullback, the stock went and didn't go against you at all. If you bought in those areas, it barely. For Google, you need about a 5-point swing allowment when you're in trades, because it's a very it moves a lot, the stock. Okay, it's not an easy stock to trade, but the way this plan and even the comment I made here, for those who, again, many of my followers, unless you are very good at trading, Google is not easy to trade, but I wanted to demonstrate the power of what I do and how good my calls are. And when I say something, it means something, people. Anyways, let's go back to the video. Okay, people, so I just showed you the video where you could see that the options made 300% gains. You could see that in the video that I made, in the Google video. So here, let's talk about the Apple part now. Now, this plan triggered, I think, was on the 7th, but this video here was made way before the 7th. Actually, this video was posted on December the 5th, and I think it triggered on the 7th. To enter it. So we'll take a look at the charts when it did trigger. But let's go to the video here, people, and see what the options were costing.
Hello.
How's the new job at TELUS? Can you get me a new phone?
Oh, hi, Dad. It's going great.
Why do you need a new phone, Ed?
Talk after. All right, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Apple trade. All right, I'm going to pause this 1 second. Okay, here's the plan that I originally posted on December the 5th. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to quickly explain it here. Oh shit, this won't. this won't this blows up too large. But anyways, I can explain it here. It says Apple is set up to test 115 to the 117 area as a bottom reversal play. Now you know today we've hit the one we hit over one we traded in between 115 to 117 today. The January 20th 110 calls or 115 calls could be used. So we're going to talk about the 115 calls, okay? And this needed to trigger this actually triggered more in the 110.75 area, and I'll show you that. I'll show you that part on the chart, but let's go to what I said on the options so we can compare today's options to the options that I posted on the well, this was based on the close. This is probably a Friday. This is based on the December the 2nd close, right? So let's take a look at the option prices then, okay? Okay, so now I'm here at the part in the video where I filmed, where I recorded what the 115 December calls were called. So here they are. These are the January 115 calls. You can see they were trading at 97 to 99 cents. Now, at the time when this triggered, the options were worth about $1.04. Okay, because by the time they did, they lost value, and so they became cheaper to buy, even though you had to buy in the 110.75 area. They were worth $1.04 on the trigger. So let's go take a look at the Yahoo Finance today, what the 115s are worth right now. Okay, so here I'm at the Yahoo Finance for today. Let's type in the symbol AAPL to show you the difference. Now remember, the options are worth less than $1, okay? And this is how you can learn instantly. So you can see that we closed at 115.19 today, and this is for December the 13th. We're going to take a look at the charts as well. But here we'll click the options. We'll go to the January the 20th. Study, people. All right, and we'll take a look at 115 calls. There you are. They closed that. Now they had a high. They were over $3. Okay, so that's 200%. Okay, they closed today at 274 to 280. You understand now? So if you want to see what you do, if you want to understand, you want to see this for yourself, you can take a look at today's, or again, this video right now. I am filming what the closing price of Apple's options of the January, see the January 20th 115 calls. So here's the Apple chart, right? And you know, as you can see, today's the 13th, and that's the close. So this is how you know, right? Where this triggered was more on, let's see, yeah, it was this day here. So we triggered on the 7th, like I said, okay? As you can see, the closing price was 111.03, so there was a little bit of profits on entry here. This is where we triggered, was on the 7th of December. And so you're looking at about 200% gains, okay, in about 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Not bad, not bad. Google, of course, was much faster, but of course, and we also used weekly options, okay? So Apple board, you know, why do you want to listen to me? Because I have impeccable time for a lot of different stocks, right? You know, not just Apple, but Google as well. And this is what I'm demonstrating to the Apple long boards. So again, that's you know that's how you. Now, 1 second. Okay, people. One of the easiest ways to check the plans is if I post the winning trade. Because these videos take a lot of work, so take advantage of the videos and plans that I'm making, because you know this is premium stuff, people. So take advantage while I'm doing this. I'm here to try to make you guys these exactly what these plans say. 100. That's exactly what these plans were designed to do. 100 to 300% gains, and I'm improving it right now. So for example, if you go to the video section. You know, you can see, for example, the Apple plan. You see, I put the date here, December the 4th. You can check all the plans, and if they've triggered, you can see exactly how much the options are worth, because every video has the starting price of the option, just like this with December the 4th 1 week ago. Okay, this video can show you By the way, subscribe to my channel, but just to give you an example here, right? And then the same thing with the Google. Where's the Google? There's the Google right there 4 days ago. Shows you the day. Didn't show you the time, but it shows you 4 days ago. But I did show it on my stream, the Google setup. This is a great video, people. Power target trades. Be sure to subscribe. You're going to see a circle with this exact same the Sandro power trick symbol. You're going to see me put it around here. Click on it to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. If not, if you have a problem subscribing, just come to Power Target Trades manually and subscribe. I'm going to be posting a lot of great videos. I'm going to be posting about the power and the new power trick trade. I'm posting premium stuff here, people. Okay, these plans are powerful stuff. I'm demonstrating it and taking the time to make this video for options. Okay, and people from YouTube who maybe never seen me, you need to watch these videos. You need to watch many videos. I've given a very great in-depth explanation of how the options made 300% in Google in 3 days, and for the Apple 200%. So there you have it, people. A great video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, make comments. Thanks for listening. Like the video.